It's a new year, so here are 5 things I'm investing my money in to grow my cake business. The first thing I'm investing in is high quality products. This means physical products as well as ingredients for my cake business. I am valuing high quality products and not being afraid to drop the coin to get good quality things for my business. I'm going more for longevity. So instead of having to buy a new whisk every 2-3 years, I want a good quality whisk that's going to last me for years and which will ultimately save me money in the long run. Same thing with good quality ingredients. You have to make sure that whatever you choose to use in your business aligns with your business model and your target clients, because you can't spend money on high quality things but can't put a high quality price tag on it. So always keep that in mind. The next thing that I am dropping the coins for is investing into good quality memberships and mentors. I have learned over the years that there's only so much that I can do as a solopreneur, and it is beyond time for me to start getting help to take my business to the next level. But what I'm also going to be doing is creating my own membership for bakers like you. If you're a baker who wants to actually make money baking, then listen up. I've created a membership called Business Made Simple because so many bakers tell me that they don't know where to start. They're overthinking everything or they feel stuck. Well, inside of Business Made Simple, I give you the exact step, real strategies, and many lessons that actually work. One baker launched her first pre-sale ever and made over $100 in just 2 days, just by taking action and being inside of Business Made Simple. You don't have to figure this all out by yourself. I'll walk you through everything that I do, from pricing to packaging to posting, and I tell you exactly why. Plus, you'll be a part of a community that actually gets it. So if you're interested, be sure that you check for the link in the description, and let's finally make business simple. Now back to the video. The third thing that I'm going to be dropping the coins for, and that I've already dropped the coins for, is hiring virtual assistants for my business. There's only so much that we can get done as solopreneurs, which means we're going to get to a level where we're going to have to invest in some kind of help to get us to that next level. So this year, I will be investing in all the help that I need. I'm not just limiting this to just virtual assistants. I'm hiring anybody onto my team that will help me to make my processes better. When you look at the people behind the largest corporations, they're not doing it all by themselves. They start adding on to their team, people who are more qualified and more skilled in certain areas to help them grow their business to the next level and to buy their time back. There is a huge time commitment, and as you try to grow, there's more time that is involved. And if you choose to carry that on, you will literally have no life. So I'm taking my time back so I can be the brain behind elevating my business and bringing in other people to help me get there. Now, the next thing that I'm investing in is one that I've already been investing in, and there will be no change this year. You will not catch me stepping foot outside of this house to go buy anything. It will all be brought right to my door. I will not be going shopping and walking and scrummaging the aisles. It will be brought to my door. This is going to save me, and has saved me, hours of time and stress and frustration and dollars in my pockets. Because if you're anything like me, you go in the store for one thing and you end up coming out with 10 things that you don't need, and you forgot the one thing that you do need. So I've just completely saved myself that stress and that time and that money, and have invested in delivery services to just have everything brought directly to me. The fifth thing that I'll be investing into for my business is systems and softwares to make my processes easier. Especially with the booming surgence of AI, there are so many different softwares and services out there that can help increase our efficiency and productivity in our businesses. And your girl will be finding out the best ones and implementing them into my business, because I don't have time anymore to be handling just all the little mundane tasks. We're gonna get the internet, the softwares, and the AI to do that for us, okay? We're cleaning up our websites. We're cleaning up our payment processing systems. We're cleaning up our digital product space. We're cleaning up the process behind making videos and getting them out to you. All of those things are gonna make the process of doing my business much easier. So these are the 5 things that I'm going to be investing in this year for my cake business. This is not a comprehensive list of everything that I'm going to be doing, but I just want to put it out there for you so that you know what I'm doing behind the scenes, and so you can gather the pieces that you need for your business and start implementing them as well. Don't forget your invitation to take the next step in growing your own cake business by joining in the description below. This is your chance by joining a community that truly understands your passion and your challenges. Together, we'll nurture your business goals, cultivate sustainable success, and watch your dreams take root and flourish. I hope to see you there.